One question I got emailed from Federico Sestini, who said, 1 week ago I bought your course RMBC method and it's awesome. It's really the best. I have a question. I'm from Italy. I sell stuff in Italy, but also understand English very well. When I do research for the product that I'm going to sell, do I have to watch the Italian market, or can I base part of my research on countries like America? Because in Italy, there isn't too much info about my products. So for that one, yeah, I'd say, I mean, I would try to find info from the Italian market first, because there are going to be, like really like it's cultural stuff, maybe cultural views around things, right? The way that Americans view something with like, we may have more of like a political lens that you don't have in the Italian market, or, just certain beliefs and things. So I think, understanding how Italians, in your case, Italians view these things would be valuable. And maybe you can just do it because your own culture that well. But keep that in mind. One nice thing generally is that you'll see that the market's a little less sophisticated in Europe, like Italy, France, Spain, places like that. So you don't need to have quite as complex of like mechanisms and other things like of that nature. But I think there's definitely universals, like for most things that we're selling, there's motivators, but I would encourage you to really try to dig deep. And I mean, even if it's like the Italian version of Amazon, and there's book reviews of books that are in Italian translations that are speaking to your market around their hopes and dreams or problems and pain points, and maybe you have to lend heavier there. But I think, sure, you can definitely use other markets too, or other countries, but I would really try to understand your market and make sure that whatever you're talking about, that there's a cultural connection or affinity between what someone in America or Britain is saying and somebody in Italy.
Awesome. Great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So important.